everyone, my name is Michaela and also known as the Beauty Bitch. I've been doing Nu Skin for the last 9.5 years. My brother and my sister-in-law introduced me to Nu Skin because we are very a supplement person, and we were like introducing to them like the other supplements from another company, and they said, you'll be good in doing this because you're actually not being paid, but you're introducing it to us because of the benefit of what it can do. Okay, so we have a look, and you know what? Very interesting is the biophotonic scanner. It gave us the check what we've been doing for the last 10 years while using those supplements, and I failed. My husband also failed. So that's why the biophotonic scanner gave us the power to improve our lifestyle and also our health, our antioxidants. So it's easy to explain to our clients. So after just a business briefing, we just bought the business package, and I asked the person who invited us and said, what if I don't do it? Because there's always a what if. And they said, you keep the products and yeah, off you go. But what if I want to learn? And they told me, then you just have to ask the question. So it's actually up to the person up to what success would you like to achieve? And I want to be successful. So I keep training myself, learning. And here I am now, the Beauty Bitch. Because we are a family of obese, I'm still sexy in my mind, in my heart, in everything that I do. I feel beautiful and sexy. It's not the looks, it's how I feel. I'm a very negative person back 10 years ago. So my why is to change the way. It's like a personal development. That's what Nu Skin gave to us, especially to me. It's a priceless transformation. Because I am a good person now. Not that I'm bad before, but the way I talk, the way I project, it's like I can uplift other people when they're sad. It's just like talking to them. And my why is just prevent anything. Like, if you can be healthy all the way, longevity, that's the main part. And the beauty will follow. I spent a lot of money with that. If you want to know, I actually enrolled for GoPro. It helped me a lot. You can ask Isaac. My volume is up. But again, you don't compare the money, what you're paying for yourself. It's a motivation for you to grow, to change, to understand. It's like a psychology, like on your head. And also, I listen to a lot of affirmation, motivation, being grateful every day. You can actually Google it. I listen to it before I go to bed, when I wake up, when I'm driving, and then the next day, in the next 21 days or in the next 30 days, something will happen. I've been listening for the last 7 months when something happened to my family, and it's changing my life. Something bad happened, but that's just the start of the journey, and then something good, doors open. So I believe it's already there, set up. You'll just have to look when the universe is guiding you where you're gonna go through. If someone approach you about it, just maybe that's the message. So when I approach you, that's the message. Yes, so my goal now is before Queenstown is like if I could be like a sexy lady. And then, so I can motivate others, but also creating leaders, because I want to bring leaders with me. It's not about me, it's about the team. So if I can create more leaders, I set up the schools. So I try to make not try, but we are making it easy for everyone to qualify. And thank you to Nu Skin to make it easy for everyone to qualify. And it's just the way it's like having fun. and learning and earning and be beautiful forever. That's what's Nu Skin. So my top tips in prospecting, is that what your question? Always be present. If they know you'll always be present, you're not gonna leave them. They will trust you. Also, be consistent so that when you prospect people, they know that you're not just in and then you're out. You'll have to do it yourself in order for you to get another person. They have to see you every day. So even though not physically, but the social. The top tip for maintaining the customer base, is that what you're asking? Once you become a leader, you need to maintain those qualifications, but don't think of it as a work. Think of it as a service. It's not the position, it's the service that you provide to people. You can become a leader, but if you're not servicing people, like, it's the service that you provide to people that they can learn about the business. So maintaining is not a problem, but my top tip is service your customer, love them, trust, explain to them how they can be rewarded by being loyal to the company. Introduce them to the next product. The main question is, ask the question, what are your concerns? If you don't ask the question, you will never know the answer. You cannot just offer things to a customer. You'll have to know their story. It's not about you, it's about them. Very, very important, because they can feel that I'm really sincere. When you're talking about beauty, what are your concerns? You cannot just pinpoint this. It has to come from them. And that's when the LOI kit comes out. I love it because if you calculate it, you're getting like a $400 worth of freebies. If you don't understand how you calculate it, you just say, oh, I'll just get bits and bits. But a lot of my clients got bits by bits, and then at the end they said, I purchased everything. I should have purchased the LOI kit. I said, I told you in the beginning, I will offer it to you, but you said, oh, I only want this. And because I respect you with your decision, I cannot push it, but I need to mention it to you. What's the power? Because she all wanted in there, and she missed out on the freebies. That's why it's very important when the customer wants this, let them explain to them, and then at the same time, compare what's the benefit of this and this, because later on, you will love this. You'll end up spending more if you get it one by one by getting the product. So give the benefits and what freebies are they getting. First, I would like to learn more about it. I know it was a preview on the leadership summit, but that's not enough. I want to know more, because you cannot talk about a certain product without knowing the fact of what it is, what it can do, what's the clinical study. So I was thankful to all my uplines or my leaders, Robert and Luella, that they're linking me, and Vicky, linking me to the right direction for training. And when I heard that training, it's empowering me to deliver the news to everyone. So when I learn a lot, what I've done is message a lot of people with the collagen, the information. And then after that, when I message them, I give them the information. And it's not just asking them, would you like one? I said, you should have 2 jars, because it's going to come out in August. You need to maximize your result. From there, you can build this business. So it's an opportunity for them to be a customer only, or you want to have extra income, to the business and use the collagen platform. It's about beauty approach, leveling up, inside out approach. So it's really powerful. So I'm excited for my result. So back last month, we all know that to qualify with that 50 collagen is to get a 5,000 volume for myself. That's a done deal. So what I've done is help other people, empower other people, so they can have the 2,000 allocation, 2 or 3,000 allocation. So we've created that. So now those access is for all the people who would love to really transform within the 2 months. We also gonna take advantage of it by building our business. This is just the start of building the beauty collagen, beauty focus, leveling up with an inside out approach. So everyone should have their 2 jars of collagen and also the LumiSpa. Hand in hand, you cannot lose, but you can gain confidence and self-esteem. Those are priceless. For everyone, believe in yourself, motivate yourself, listen to motivational affirmation every day. Believe in what you say. So if you say something not good, you're believing in that one. So scratch it off and believe in yourself. Anything I do, anyone can do it. But you have to believe and you have to put it in your mind. Take it out. The universe will bless you. So happy collagen, everyone. And I'm looking forward. So on the 25th of June, as again, new skin, give me more. We love it. And again, this is the Beauty Witch signing off. Have a lovely afternoon. Bye now.